I want to learn how and just do it by myself and go over and come on,
Isn't it
kids.
incredible?
I have one hanging off the
Dad.
Pass me a beer.
And it's pretty cheap, dude. It's not expensive.
Dad, remember you can't take the kids. Remember they have to be over there.
I mean, for a whole
They
year.
have to take.
I know, but when you're up there, they don't know. You can have your kid. You can do whatever you want.
Yeah,
in the
but
sky,
when
they
you actually learn then little
can
kids
land
can do
with
it themselves.
A beer? Pass me a beer or something.
Oh, I definitely should.
Yeah, put this on YouTube.
I'd stay up there and do it.
That's where it normally goes.
We're smoking whatever. I'd be up
Anthony, you're looking
So
so
would you be? You get that in the clouds?
Well, yeah, I will be in the clouds.
You fall asleep up there?
Honey, I'm lost. What do you mean you're lost? Where are you? Get home right now.
You like this? I think
They pull like a phone call.
It's 6 o'clock in
Yeah,
the
you probably
morning.
get
Where
good
are
service.
you?
Oh.
We get good service up there. Oh, yeah.
All it costs is 18 pack.
I did it.
Yeah.
Spread the word, friends.
Turn it on
This
YouTube.
place be packed.
Ow, spread the word, Brandon.
Spread it. I'm spreading it. What's this place called?
Andy
Aaron
Jackson. Andy
Aaron
Jackson.
Jackson's Airport. Yeah.
Airport.
Airport.
Andy Jackson.
Show him like a video, view of it.
Oh, here we
Show
go.
a
Let's
view,
get the
Brian.
view.
That's a good idea.
Let's get the view of where you're at.
It's really close.
Well, you're in the fantasy world.
And if you bring 18 pack,
Actually,
you can go
for
up
you,
that little
Brandon,
mountain.
you could land at your house.
Like, stay at home, buddy. It's like, oh, where are you?
She-
I lost my truck.
Oh my god, no. Ow, dang, Melly got it.
You could go the whole way to your house.
Yeah, you go the right way.
Yeah.
I could go from there to here for sure.
If there's somewhere to take off.
Look at that big old pack. Look at that parachute in that pack.
That's big.
Enough to carry the whole family.
How you gonna carry that around?
And the neighbors. Huh?
Ow.
Try to parachute from your house. It'd be impossible. Anthony, keep your hands to yourself.
Okay.
Daddy!
When is the parachuter gonna land?
Oh, they're enjoying themselves.
They're like 10 hours from
They're
now.
getting higher up. They're not getting lower.
They are going higher.
If they were right here just a little while ago.
Dream. I'm excited.
You can do, Brandon?
Yeah, I'm gonna
If I get one, you'll do it?
Yeah, I'll do it.
I'm just going to get the parachute one. I'm not going to.
I know what's up.
Because these kites are too hard to fold up.
I enjoy ripping my arm out of socket.
Yeah!
Okay.
Roll up like that.
No, you videotaping That'll ruin your life
When we get
for
lost,
years and years.
Yeah.
you sleep
I
inside the
can't.
thing.
Ow!
What's it gonna do?
When Jeanette's like, "Well, you
Dang.
spent $100 on
And Matt's getting beat up by a girl.
Anthony, keep
It's
your
gonna
hands.
be all on YouTube.
I'm gonna make you sit down.
Daddy, I'm not.
Leave Uncle Brian alone. Stop.
Hey, Brian's little girl, she wouldn't leave here. She's, I want to go up now.
I just.